Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trade Analysis with the market recap for today, December the 16th. Markets started the day going bullish, going upside until the PMA showed that today was not the day to be bullish. And apart from that, almost $3 trillion were expiring today on quadruple witching day, first week option expirations. So max pain was 390 plus almost 400 after the open, and we didn't even reach that level. We topped at SPI 386 and Nasdaq. Well, this level was quite appropriate to watch as it was basically yesterday's pivot and pre-market high. So this level was quite interesting to look for shorts. I was looking for longs due to quadruple witching day, and I expected a lot more manipulation to the upside. But once this trend broke down, I was just calling the day and took a couple of shorts to finish the day 1200, and that's all. I call it early because I don't want to trade on a Friday with quadruple witching day. I just want to enjoy the weekend, and markets literally were hugging the downside every day, all the day. And as you can see, the point of control is at 11,300, something like that. Into power hour, we are seeing a lot of manipulation and a lot of volume at the end, but finishing red. Nasdaq minus 1% on the day, and S&P is minus 1.27. Crude oil minus 2% on the day on fears of demand, more demand destruction. As you can see, we are pulling back a lot and continue trending with lower highs, lower lows. It's a clear trend on the crude oil. Natural gas positive 0.40%, and the only thing that is green today is Meta. The rest, Tesla, continues going lower, feeling super weak, and everything is due to Elon Musk not being the person, the CEO, the person that a lot of people trust for Tesla, for SpaceX, and for a lot of business now on Twitter, doing some things that are questionable. So I think investors are hitting that Tesla quite hard right now. What about sector funds? XLK finished the day minus 1.32%, continuing seeing weakness. Technology, consumer discretionary also finishing minus 1.87. Consumer discretionary is feeling the pain along with technology and semiconductors. Healthcare, XLV, minus 1.45. Utilities, minus 1.70. Staples on the green. Every sector closed in the red today. Dollar is more or less holding, barely holding. If we check the levels, is downtrending still, and we are below these 200 moving averages. Yields, the 2-year is red minus 1%, reaching 4.19%, and the 10-year is in the green almost 1%. So a lot of volatility in the markets. The rest of the terminal rate for April continuing lower. September next year also lower, and December also lower. So look at this volume. Oh. So VIX also in the red. So a lot, I think across the board, markets are in the red, feeling the pressure of recession. A lot of fear in the markets because of recession. Recession, and recession. It's not about inflation. It's about that the economy, U.S. economy, is sick. A lot of people is worried about how much we will feel more pain next year, how we'll be going to finish this year. A lot of uncertainty, but for sure a lot of fear in the markets right now. Continuing lower, and I think there's a lot more to come next week. That's my opinion. So nothing big today apart from quadruple witching. Sometimes it doesn't happen. We just sold off, continuing lower since this triple rejection going higher and 12,255, and we broke last week low. So a new low has been formed, and the next one is this one. So be careful with this pivot, with this low that we got on CPI, not the last one, but the previous one on 10th on November 10th, because I think this is quite a visual target. And don't be too positive, be patient, be smart, because you have to trade the market you are in. And right now, we are in a bear market. We are continuing and rejecting high pricing. Short sellers are strong, and a lot of economic data is pointing to the downside. Feds are still hawkish, and you have to also be smart. And if you are bullish, take it slowly, because right now I think bears have the control. A lot of fear in the markets, on the investors, and in the media are punishing the markets. So be careful up there. As always, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember, I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recap like this one. I appreciate your time. I hope you had an amazing trading day. Quadruple witching day is very important. And this is the last one of the year. So see you on Monday. Enjoy the weekend. And we'll see you on Monday with the market forecast. Remember, discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone.